To visualize lymphocyte homing to a site of injury, a zebrafish larva was anesthetized and its fin pierced with a needle to introduce a small wound. A vein is seen at the bottom of the frame. Because the fin is very thin and transparent, we can watch directly as lymphocytes crawl out of the blood vessel and migrate towards the wound. They are attracted there by chemicals released from damaged cells, invading bacteria and other lymphocytes. In a zoomed-out view, we can appreciate that lymphocyte invasion is restricted to the wounded area. The static cells that are dispersed in the connective tissue are fibroblasts. In these movies, 60 minutes of real time are compressed into 15 seconds.